Asi mamy problem. That was terrifying.
Actually.
Anyway, hello. This is second POV with Steve this time. He has a Canon camera. I have compact camera. He has proper DSLR, but old one.
Older.
And it's raining. Shouldn't we go like under there? It would be better for car capturing. Okay, let's go other places. Sheesh, these are no good conditions. There is basically main road. This is like a long stretch into the fog. There's some nice cars here, sometimes. Let's go here.
It's suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
That's very annoying. Oh, he's moving. I guess maybe using tracking focus would be a good idea, right? I'm gonna try it in manual. Why cannot I use it? Because I have servo? Yeah, because I have servo. Oh, I'm gonna leave it in servo. Hell yeah, bracho.
Iba half? Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I know. Hell yeah.
Crimson secrets and forbidden bliss can't stay still. Don't
Oh, I'm so
stop
happy.
that thread.
I'm so fucking happy.
Bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence.
Okay, I think we are done here.
Okay, this will probably be the last spot for today. I don't think it's gonna be that great, but maybe. This is starting to camel on ambulance. Running on one last strip of battery, but I mean, that's normal. Okay, I want to try some black and white photos before the small camera dies. Color. Okay, I'm shooting outro not on a GoPro but on a mobile because we're tired as fuck, it's cold as hell and there are no more cool cars. Actually, one car actually stopped and asked us like what were we doing.
Poczekaj.
Asi mamy problem.
Fotíme auta, ako pohybujú.
So
And I guess he wasn't really happy we got him.
yeah, probably he wasn't. Like we didn't really get him, but still.
He
Okay.
doesn't know that.
He doesn't know that. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today probably, so goodbye, like and subscribe.
See ya.
So yeah, he will be linked also in the Instagram, Steve. Not the dude. Actually, there go a couple more cars. Goodbye.